taught a ton of students, so not just including the studio, but in the after-school program. So I wish I could have like 20 choices. I definitely could fill it all up. But I'm going to be choosing 2 for my beginners classes and 2 for my intermediate class. These 2 individuals, I'm going to start off with 2 of them because they, kind of came into the class together. They worked so hard. Every time I see them in class, they're always, practicing there early. They get to the studio early, and they're always very eager to learn from me and in class. So the 2 people I want to recognize for my first award is going to be Savvy and Riley from my beginners class. You guys can come up. Recognize you guys. Savvy, Riley, where you at? Alright, as they come up, I'm going to meet the next people. So the next 2 students that I want to highlight are actually a pair, so just like them, but actually an actual sibling pair. And I'm really happy to just have them in the intermediate class. They actually won Snacks and Battle, so James and David, let's go. Get up here. These 2. David, aka Smooth, and James, aka Lil J. They got their b-boy names this session, and if you're a part of the b-boy b-girl culture, like getting your name is definitely like a rite of passage kind of thing. And I didn't get mine until I was like way older and teaching in this company through Brian. But the fact that these students already have an identity for themselves, they want to talk about. Yeah.
Alright, hi guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful night. Give me some noise if you're having a wonderful night. Alright. Anyways, my name's Ethan Bouchran. I'm in charge of the OC area. I also teach some classes in Placentia. I really wanted to recognize 2 people today. One of them is from my Placentia class. He's a pleasure to have in my class. He always stays after. He gives me hugs. Like, oh my God, I don't even ask for it. He just comes up and hugs me. But anyways, he's a pleasure to have in my class. He loves dancing. He stays after, and his mom's like, come on, we gotta go. And he's like, no, I want to stay and dance. So give it up for my man, Luca. Wherever he is, Luca. Yes, I'm on stage. And then I want to give a shout out to one more kid. I want to bring him up on stage. He's from my OC group, well, not the OC group, the OC classes, he's in the beginner class. He's a pleasure to have in class as well. Always following directions, he's always giving his best. And every time I see his face, it just warms my heart and it makes it so much easier in class because he's always there and I know I can always rely on him. So everyone give him a round of applause. Let's give it up for Merritt. Wherever he is. There he is, come on. So we got Mika, Merritt coming up. Let's give him one more big round of applause. Alright, check. How's everybody doing? Alright, cool. My name is Chris and I have the honor to teach these kids. One person that does stand out would be Emmerich. Emmerich, you in here? Yeah. This kid trained super hard. Ever since he came to class, he was just getting in the little corner, just practicing. And I want to recognize his hard work. He's a cool member. Yeah. Alright, and also want to recognize Caden. Caden, where you at? Yeah, Caden. He's the only kid in the beginner class who did this guy skyrocketing through all the skills and knowledge that we're teaching them. So I want to recognize these 2. Shout out to them. Make some noise, y'all.
Hi everyone, my name is Edson. I was very grateful to teach the beginners class this year. Make some noise. Like I said, I was very grateful to teach my students this year, the beginners class. The student I'm gonna pick was just always ready to learn. He was always on time, sometimes early, and he showed up early if you practiced for 10 minutes before I even got to him. So, Angelo, come on up to the stage. He learns really quickly, very quickly. Come on over here, hurry up. Make some noise for Angelo.
All right, one more student I'll select. When we had our meeting, I didn't bring this student up, but I have to bring him up now. It was in my heart to do it, but I was like, I don't want to seem biased. But this student's been in our program probably the longest. He's put in a lot of work. I've personally been able to see how much work he's put in. I'm really, really proud of him. It's his first time to make it in a crew. He started off in the WeBreakers. My son, Elijah Wright, his first time ever winning an award. Elijah, B-Boy FX. Give it up, give it up. Without Elijah, high five, man. Outstanding job this session, man. All right, without Elijah, we wouldn't have WeBreakers. I started it for him when he was like 2-3 years old. He's done a great job. He's been on program like his whole life. This is his first time ever getting an Outstanding Student Award. So, guys, give it up for all of our students. Very proud of them. Done. We get the photo. Guys, let's do a photo. Guys, B-Boy, freeze it up with the attitude. Let's go, y'all. Let's go.